Hey, what's up? It's Luis Brian here. Happy iPhone launch day for all of you who celebrate. Another year, another iPhone. I remember my first iPhone was at 11 Pro Max, and now we're at 14 Pro Max. This makes it my fourth iPhone. Let me know in the comment section below, what iPhone did you start at? Anyways, you'll find a lot of new things with this new iPhone. Instead of 13, Apple went up a number to 14. In this phone, you'll find new internals, new cameras, and a brand new display showcasing the dynamic island. Now let's get this thing unboxed and set up. Alright, now let's get started with the unboxing. Here in the studio, we have the deep purple 256 model of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. For reference, right here we have the 13 Pro Max. Okay, opening this up. Apple's trying to save the environment, so there's no more plastic wrapping. It's all little paper cutouts. Oh shoot, would you look at that? That is really deep purple. If it goes more to the shadow, you see that purple, but in the light, it looks kind of grayish, kind of black, but then you get that deep purple as advertised. That's really cool. Check this out right here. The comparison of colors between blue and purple. Blue is more noticeable. The purple kind of blends into gray or black. It looks really nice. And no more plastic wrapping as mentioned. Just another paper pullout right here. Yeah. Wow. This is really nice. I like the way this phone looks, and obviously that brand new feel. Not like mine that has a bunch of scratches. Inside the box, you're not gonna find much nowadays. Only USB-C to Lightning cable and the papers right here. You have the Apple sticker as always. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Hello. Nice. Okay, let's get this thing open. Let's see if my phone detects anything while I try to set this one up here. It does. You see right here? Set up your new iPhone. This will transfer your current settings. Unlock to continue. Let me use Face ID. It's automatically detecting it. Scan your new iPhone. Scanning. Alright. Transfer your phone number. That's my phone number. Transferring. Do you want to transfer? The old iPhone will stop working once you transfer. Okay. Transferring. Alright, perfect. Looks like eSIM is now set up. We're going to continue with the phone. Going to do Face ID. If you want to set it up with the mask, you don't have to do that now. Face ID is set up. You want to download your data from iCloud or connect it directly to setup. Let's do iCloud, which is going to be a little bit faster. Gotta accept the terms and conditions. Alright, apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. I'll do iCloud backup. Gonna sign in. Right here I get to select the latest iPhone backup or other previous backups. I'm gonna choose the one from the 14. Make this your new iPhone. So all of this is gonna be pretty much identical to what I had on my 13 Pro Max. Going to continue. Now I'm gonna re-add all my cards that were on Apple Wallet. Apple Keychain, where it stores all of my passwords. Going to continue. Emergency SOS, do I wanna get notified? Yes. It's gonna restore iCloud. Alright, so it looks like the transfer is now complete and I can unlock my new iPhone. Now let's try out two quick features that this new iPhone has. The first one is the always on display. When you unlock your phone, you normally have a pitch black screen, but in this new phone, it's actually very dim and has a refresh rate of 1 Hz. In comparison, when it's on, you tap it, it's gonna go up to 120 Hz. Now the function of always on is to allow your phone to be dark but still show you the time, notifications. Now let's unlock the phone so you can check out the dynamic island. It's gonna be this right here. This is gonna be replacing the notch on your current iPhones. And all I can say is, looking at it, first impressions, it looks pretty nice. Can't wait to get used to this and try out all the new features that comes along with it. There you have it, guys. That has been the setup process for the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of this iPhone? Are you getting it? Or are you gonna hold off to the next one? Anyways, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned as I'll post more videos as I'm gonna test out the camera quality on this thing. It's Luis Brian. Till next time, peace out.